Hi there, so this is Sham Pathak again, and I'm back with my composition that I've written so far, and I hope that you enjoyed my previous compositions, and I would really appreciate if you can take your time out and give the feedback about it, because it's not about what it is or how you felt it. It's more about I want to refine my compositions. I want to just learn from whatever the thinking that is coming through your mind while reading or while going through the shares and the poems that I am uploading here. So that overall the preview of it is like I would like to have a different kind of flavors. I want to bring different kind of flavor in my writings, and definitely it would only be happen when once a different set of mindsets are coming in picture, and they will start giving their valuable comments and feedback. So yeah, I'm actually something looking for that, and I would really appreciate your valuable thoughts and feedbacks and suggestions if you could kindly provide it, and I would definitely will look forward for it. So yeah, that's my that's the pre-requirement for it, for the whole composition. I'm going to put it here on the YouTube and all other social media networks. So yeah, let's start with the first one, and I would definitely look forward for your feedbacks and compositions again. Okay, so thanks much, and in advance, and let's start with one of my favorites, and it says that मैं इस उम्मीद से डूबा कि तू बचा लेगा, मैं इस उम्मीद से डूबा कि तू बचा लेगा, अब इसके बाद भी मेरा इम्तहान क्या लेगा, अब इसके बाद भी मेरा इम्तहान क्या लेगा, मैं बुझ गया तो हमेशा ही बुझ जाऊंगा, मैं जो बुझ गया तो हमेशा ही बुझ जाऊंगा, कोई चिराग नहीं जो फिर से जला लेगा, कोई चिराग नहीं जो फिर से जला लेगा, तो उसकी हो नहीं सकती बता देना उसे. This is something this writer wants to dedicate it to the old love, the past, to his past, and just make sure that the other person who is coming on the way, he should realize it, the kind of affection, the connection that the person had for that girl. So तो इस उम्मीद तो उसकी हो नहीं सकती बता देना उसे, सुनेगा तो हाथों की लकीरें जला देगा, और हजार तोड़ के. This is something very important and very close to my heart. It's like हजार तोड़ के आऊँ रिश्ता में शाम, हजार तोड़ के आऊँ उससे रिश्ता में शाम, मैं जानता हूँ वो जब चाहेगा बुला लेगा. It's kind of feeling that a person wants to just reassured that whatever is the person is thinking, or the person is actually feeling for the other gender, he is in control of that lady or that girl, and he is confessing that. It's kind of very deadly confession, very dangerous when it comes to reality. It's like something the guy is already dedicated or devoted his life to the other person. He can do anything what she can do anything what she wants. So this is something which is very, I would say, a different kind of perspective, but again this came through my mind. I wanted to put it away, so I just put it. But I would say that this is very important, that we all have a kind of driving factors. We all have the driving handles, okay, and we should know whom to give and when to give and how to give. The person should be worthy enough to understand that, and to hold the vehicle or the steering of your life. You should not just give anybody anything. It should be worthy enough to get the things from you. So yeah, this is something which was the first thing I wanted to share with you. Let's go to the second one. कैसे दिलाऊं आँखों को तेरे रुखसत की, कैसे दिलाऊं इन आँखों को तेरे रुखसत की, यकीन कैसे यकीन दिलाऊं इन आँखों को तेरी रुखसत की, भरी महफिल में न जाने क्यों तेरे दीदार को तरसते हैं, भरी महफिल में भी न जाने क्यों तेरे दीदार को तरसते हैं, हर शख्स से बातें मैं बेमिसाल करता हूँ. या दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हर शख्स से बातें मैं बेमिसाल करता हूँ, बस उन चेहरों में मेरी आंखें तेरे अक्स को ढूंढती हैं. Yeah, this is very important, very close to my heart. It still happens at all time. It happens to me. Next one, this is again very close to me, and I hope the last two would be fine, and you would definitely go ahead and listen to this to the best of your heart, and give me the feedback we're looking for actually. So let's go for the next one. तुझे पाने की इस कोशिश में कुछ इस तरह से खो चुका हूँ मैं, तुझे पाने की कोशिश में कुछ इस तरह से खो चुका हूँ मैं कि तू मिल भी जाए तो अब मिलने का गम होगा. So here what author wants or writer wants to say that it's something he is enjoying the journey. So you are my destination, you are my everything. I'm actually doing everything for to get just to be with you. But actually I'm enjoying the kind of pain and the obstacles, what are the hindrances coming on my way to get to you, to reach to you. Whenever I'm coming closer to you, whatever the obstacle comes to that, I enjoy it. I enjoy it. I kind of cherish it when it just in tackling those things. So yeah, I've started loving those things. That if I get to you, if I get you, and you will be mine. That feeling will not be much more kind of better than this. The one which I cherished throughout the journey that I had in getting you or in your position. Next one, this is superbly connected to me, and I would really like you to have your deep thought on that and just give me the feedback. So रात तो वक्त की पाबंद है ढल जाएगी, देखना तो ये है कि चिरागों का सफ़र कितना है. रात तो वक्त की पाबंद है ढल जाएगी, देखना ये है चिरागों का सफ़र कितना है. आज भी अक्सर रातों को जाग जाता हूँ मैं, बंद आँखों को तेरे जाने का एतबार नहीं होता. आज भी रातों को अक्सर जाग जाता हूँ मैं, बंद आँखों को तेरे जाने का एतबार नहीं होता. I wish you could feel the same the way I'm feeling, and definitely you can understand the kind of pain that guy is going through. It's very important. But anyway, that's the few of my competitions that I wanted to put it here, and I would be really looking forward for your views and reviews. Thank you.